if the Honorable CM who's brought this resolution would like to reply.
I don't think it's required, Honorable Speaker, sir. I think there is a unanimity, and in the interest of obviously the other items that are there, I think we just want to thank all the members, especially the members of the opposition, for coming together. This shows and reflects the sincerity and the commitment we have and the responsibility, a joint responsibility we have towards the people. So this is a very powerful, very strong message, and in a parliamentary democracy, this is maybe one of the strongest stands and positions that we can give. The loudest message that we can give is through a joint resolution, a government resolution that is unanimously supported both by the opposition and the Treasury bench. So therefore, I once again thank all the members who have participated and who have supported this particular resolution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, the motion is moved. Now, let me put the question before the House. The question is that the government resolution against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya may be approved. Those who are for the resolution say aye. Aye. Those who are against say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The government resolution is approved and adopted by the House. Now we come